Hello everyone, today I have another recipe for pork belly. It's soaking in fish sauce and the result will surprise you. It's better than bacon. Please come to the kitchen with me. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my video and subscribe. I am here to share everything I know with you. Thank you. So the recipe, I make it short and small amount for you to eat.
Đó, cô nồi hành miếng Saigon này thấy chưa? Saigon này có chặt đâu? Thôi cái này có làm gì không?
Thôi đừng chặt về nhiều khi nó làm sẽ
Không qua bát luôn nè.
làm xong lên YouTube á, YouTube á. Này phải không?
Thấy
Rồi ba ghé nè cô.
Mấy cô này, cái sạp này với sạp này dễ thương.
Dạ đúng rồi.
Mời khán giả lên đến đây mua ủng hộ giùm. Quảng cáo làm chơi đó. Nè,
Mày hẹn hò.
Em tao đi cái mỏ làm sao? Nào đây này, đứa nào này. Em tao biết cái mỏ làm đâu tiếng rồi.
So at home I wash them clean, and this is I use one piece of ginger. You smash it, and 4 shallot. You smash them as well, and put the clean pork belly in the pot together with ginger and shallots, and cover in water. Remember, the water need to cover the meat. And you bring to the boil and wait until it cook through. You can test it by using chopstick to pop through. If they are the juice come out clean, that means they cook.
Nó mệt mà
You
nó đông đúc mà nó
soak
nhiều
in
thứ quá, phải
ice
không?
water
cái mình làm mình
for
mệt.
10 minutes to stop cooking process. And I remove to the strainer and drain and dry right now. So I have a lot of meat, so I go
Không có đi vòng vòng nữa.
one more
Nói là phải
time.
mua thịt chứ đó.
But the recipe for you is 1 kilogram. So now, while the meat is cooling, I prepare the soaking liquid. 1 liter of fish sauce and half a kilogram of sugar and a tablespoon of salt. And you bring it to the boil. You don't need to cook too long. Just boiling is enough to kill all the bacteria possible. I also use 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn. I toast it and add it to the liquid. And to be fragrant, I also peel and slice 1 head of garlic and add into it as well. Now I wait for the liquid to be cool. You can see this my meat is draining, and to be very sure, I use paper towel to dry each and individual before I place them into the jar. For the rule of thumb, anything that you do pickle, you need to clean your jar. I use a glass jar. That is the best jar because it won't leach any possible toxic materials. If you put in the plastic, it can be soaked. So place the meat in the jars and pour the liquid over, and make sure the meat is under the surface of the water. If you don't do so, you can see I use some sticks to press the meat down. If you don't do so, the meat can be spoiled. So, and that's it. You leave it on the counter for 10 days until you see the skin is dark like so, and the meat, the fat is translucent, and that's it. You can use it now. The skin you can do dark color by using, when you cook your liquid, soaking liquid, you can add a little caramel. And now you can see the fat is translucent. Let me slide them and you will see. This kind of meat, after you done curing, you can use them in rice paper roll with vegetables and dip into sweet and sour fish sauce dip. It's very tasty, and that's what we did, and very yummy. I hope you like them and give it a try. I thank you, and I see you soon. Bye bye.